Ah, here we go, look. Can't really see what's going on, but there's some puppies at play. Do a top-down view.
How do I upload that onto my Facebook?
You can...
Get off my computer. No, you're not having the computer. I don't care what you think. Not the cutesy look toy like, you're not having the computer.
There they are, look. They're so cute. Trying to see a bit of the action with that one over there with the paper, look. She's really giving that paper some hell. This won't come up as good as the other one. What I'll probably do is... this is testing the iPad for video quality. It's not going to be as good as the phone, but...
She's going back down in bed now. Bella. Bella.
There's a little bed. Sweet little dog. Shallon's going to rescue her.
What are you doing?
The doggy just moved. I don't know where the other one's gone. We've lost one.
No, we haven't. They're in bed.
Oh, there's one. They move so fast because they're so small.
What are you doing, Monkey? What are you doing? She's too good, don't know. No, leave the wire alone. You're not having the wire.
I think.
What is sister's doing?
She's gone in here.
No, she's on the floor.
Oh, she is.
No. No. Can't.
There's that one.
No. No. Can't bloody have that. You bloody can't have that wire. You'll put for blue smoke. You'll put for blue smoke if you chew that wire. You can't have it going up. Oh, I know. Ugh. Snuffle it, look. Snuffle it, look, and let it doesn't go. You're giving me a wash.
There she is.
You're giving me a wash.
There she is. They're tiny. There they are. I'm just watching this one here. I think I've got Belle. She's gorgeous. Oh, she's going to roll over. She's going to roll over. She's going to do something.
She's chewing back like a minute.
Yeah, you'll break that off, little one. Yeah, you will. You'll break that off and you'll fall over. We don't want you falling over, do we, dog? She went away.
Go on then, go see what your sister's doing.
Oop. Now we've got more doggy action. Trying to keep track of two of them is not easy. Keeping.
Upload this video on my Facebook, how do I do it?
What I can do is I can upload it onto my YouTube channel and you can share it.
I'd rather just upload it onto my Facebook.
You might be able to go onto the site. I don't know if you can do it directly.
I should be able to just share it from your phone onto my Facebook, but I'd have to log into my Facebook and he's rummaging.
I don't know which one that was there, but there's Belle, I think. Little tail. There's one over there. Now they're back again. Six weeks old. Little bundles of joy. Whoop, there's a big foot there.
I'm going to go put them out for wet.